Something that my parents actually have been using for a long time. These are 80 sheets. These are laundry sheets by Active. This will do 80 loads, and you can actually cut them in half. So if they're smaller loads, you can just use a half of a sheet. So that'll give you up to 160 loads. Now, the really nice thing about this is the weight of it, right? It's really, really light. When I travel, if I go to like another country and I'm staying there for a while and I need to do wash halfway through, you know, it's hard to bring a liquid anything, you know, and these are just sheets, literally like sheets of paper. And you just throw it in there, it dissolves and it cleans. I think it's a very sustainable, it's very smart. It cuts down on sizes. You know, these bins that you get with all the soap in it, they're huge. They take up tons of room. So if you're in a dorm or in a smaller like condo, this would also help you as well. It just saves up space. It's freaking awesome. I don't know why these haven't caught on more, but these are Active laundry sheets and they're awesome. I love this brand actually. I use a lot of their stuff.